Hello guys, myself Mike and I'm back with another video. In this video we're going to solve another Python series question, right? So we have created a Python playlist, right, in which we have questions related to Python for data engineering asked in different interviews and other places, right? So this question, it's been asked in one of the interviews for a service-based company, and we'll go through the problem and solution, and we'll solve it together. Okay. So the problem statement, as it says, right, will be having a string, right, and we have to solve. We have to return the first repeating character. So, for example, there was a string called programming, right, and the output is like p. So that we have to compare. We have to see all those characters in that string, right, and whatever is the repeating character. Let's say p r o g r. R is repeating, right. The first repeating character we have to repeat it, right. So that is the functionality. So let's create the skeleton, right? Maybe we'll call it find uh, maybe repeating character. Okay, and input string and return is, let's say, /0, and if there is no such repeating character, we'll return the character, maybe some null character or something, right? /0 something, right? We have to return something, and then maybe we'll give the input string as programming or any other thing, right? And I'll call it print input. Okay, so this is our skeleton, right? Now how we're gonna solve the problem is, right, maybe I'll write it here. So I'll create a dictionary, right, and here I'll create an empty dictionary. What I will do, right, I'll take the character one by one. Let's say if I take the p character, and if that character doesn't exist, right, I'll add that character into this like as a key value pair, right. Then I'll check for, let's say, r doesn't exist, maybe again I'll add it. Then similarly I'll add it, right, and then I'll add it, right, programming. Then I check if it exists here. Okay, if it exists here, then okay, I'll return that character. So if it is not there in this dictionary, I'll keep on adding in this dictionary, and if it is there in this dictionary, I'll just return that character. So that is our output. So this way our time complexity is very fast because we are using the dictionary, right? So the time complexity is o raised to the power power 1, right? And like this will be the best possible from the time complexity as well, right? And the both space as well, right? So let's do it. Let's see how we do it, right? Maybe I'll create a staging dictionary, right? Some intermediate dictionary, empty one, and then I iterate through list, right? Maybe input, and I check that if staging dictionary has that character, then I'll just simply return that character. That is output. Otherwise, if that is not the case, right? Sorry. If that is not the case, else we'll add that character into that dictionary. Let's test it out. So what we'll do, right, we create a staging dictionary as an empty dictionary, right, and we traverse through all those character in that input string, right, and if that character exists, we'll return that character. That will be the output. If not, then we'll keep on adding that character into that dictionary, and if there is nothing it will be able to find, we'll use that that /0 something null character, right. Let's test it out. Okay, line number input something 16, repeating character 9, staging dict char, return correct, else. Okay, okay. Anything we can do, right? We can even yeah. So staging directory char. Okay, okay. So this is not the way it is written. It is like this, right? So yeah, so I was using the wrong syntax, right? I check the character, if it exists then return that, and otherwise I'll add to the true, right? So yeah, so now if I test it with, let's say, double G, right? Now G is the first repeating character, maybe it will return G. Similarly, let's say if I return PP, right, or something, P is the first returning character, right? And yeah, that's it for this video. Maybe if you have any suggestions or like for content, right, what type of content you want in this channel related to data engineering, please feel free to add in the comments or let me know your thoughts. How's this video? I'm happy to take the feedback. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. That's bye bye.